Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add sound effect in your video on Canva. So it's very easy and you can add sound effect from Canva. Once you have opened your Canva project and then upload any video, I have added a intro video from Canva. So right now it's blank, there is no sound effect. So you can add music or sound effect from this. So let's go to the elements. Let's upload it. Okay, you can play it from here. So just click and hold and drag it and place it under the video. Okay, so now let's play. So this is how you can add sound effect in Canva video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.